name was Wyatt. Occasionally, without intending, I called her. Oh, called Nerve? He didn't mind. He was carrying a 1911.
Thank you for buying the band around the drinks. All 8 of us thank you. Cheers.
Anyway. She goes.
Hi.
Special request for our newlyweds over here. This is for our newlyweds.
Hi. Are you full yet? Are you full? Oh, I guess not.